Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube part 4 tutorial. So if you want the links for the previous parts, I'll be giving them in the description. So please go check them out. And now let's get right into the video. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you to solve the first layer. So in this cube, we can see that I have finished the first layer. So the first layer is a procedure to solve the first 4 white corners, which are these. So to solve these 4 corners, you will be using the algorithm which is called the RightyAlg, which I have taught you in the previous tutorial, part 3. Now let's proceed into learning the first layer. Here I have shuffled the cube. First we have to solve the white cross before coming to the first layer. So let me solve it. Now I have solved the white cross. So while solving the first layer, you have to keep the white on bottom, which is the cross on the bottom, so that it would be easy for you to solve. So as I mentioned in the part 1, I have told you that each corner has 3 colors. So this is a corner which has 3 colors, which is yellow, red and green. So look for a white corner in the top layer, which is in the yellow layer. So a white corner is, for example, this is a white corner because in these 3 colors there is white. This is not a white corner because there is no white in this corner. So this is a white corner. So now you have to check what are the other 2 colors. So the other 2 colors are the green and orange. So this corner comprises of the 3 colors, green, orange and white. And here you can see that there are 3 adjacent centers which are green, orange and white. So what you should do is move the top layer and rotate the cube so that this corner should go here, because you can see here that white, green and orange are here and perfectly white, green and orange are here. So this corner will automatically come here. This is the slot where this corner should go. Now keep the corner on the slot where it should go and do the RightyAlg, which goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. And now check whether the corner is solved. And you can see here that the corner is solved, because you can tell that white center matches with this white color, orange center matches with the orange color, green center matches with the green color. This is wrong because white center does not match with orange, green center does not match with green, and green center does not match with white. So after doing the RightyAlg once, we have to check whether the corner is correctly like this: green, orange and white. And now I'll show you another corner. Same, you have to search for a white corner in the top layer, which is the yellow layer. Here you can see this corner, white corner. So the other 2 corners in this corner are green and red. So this should go over the slot. So this is white, green and red. So here you can see that white, green and red are here. So it's in the same place where it should go. So just hold the cube like this so that this corner is above the slot, and do the RightyAlg. Check if the corner is solved, and there you go, the corner is solved. The next one is this, and this is white, red and blue. Bring it above the slot. The slot is here: white, red and blue. Bring it above the slot. Keep it like this. Do the RightyAlg. Check it, and this is solved. And the last corner piece is here. This is white, blue and orange. White, blue and orange is here. So bring this above the slot where it should go. Do the RightyAlg. Check if it's solved. It's not solved because this is not matching. This is not matching. So do the RightyAlg again. And the corner is still here. It's not yet solved. Do it again. And here you can see the corner is solved. Now let me show you some difficult cases. So sometimes while you're looking for a corner on the top layer, you won't find anything, but this is not solved. So the corner will be possibly in the bottom layer, and here you can see that both the corners are in the bottom layer. So any one of the corners should be taken out so that it would be in the top layer. And I'm going to choose this corner, keep this in the right bottom here, and do the right alg just once. And now you can see that this is in the top layer. From here it came here, and now you can solve this as usual. So this is white, blue and orange. Bring this above the slot, white, blue and orange like this. And now keep this above the slot and do the right alg. Check, not yet solved. Right alg, it's still here, not solved. Right alg, solved. And the last one is here, just solve it as usual. Bring it above the slot. Right alg, checking, right alg, and now we have solved it. The most important thing I want to tell you is that just concentrate on those 4 corners. Don't concentrate on anything. Don't feel that the other things are getting messed up and all, because they can be fixed again later. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have understood how to solve the first layer. Please be free to leave any further doubts in the comment section below, and also please like, share and subscribe if you like my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.